Good morning, students. Welcome to eSuvidya. Hope you all are doing well. Students, do you love running? I feel it is one of the easiest and best way of exercise, isn't it? Students, today we will study a poem titled Run, Run, Run by the British poetess Mary Dunt. So let's recite the poem Run, Run, Run by the British poetess Mary Dunt. Poem Run, Run, Run by Mary Dunt. Away from the city and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. Run in the raindrops, run beneath the trees, run little races with each little bridge. Run down the hillside, run off the lane, run through the meadow, then run back again. Run and be merry, run and be merry all through the day, run to the country, away, away. So children, this short poem, Run, 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 written by the British poetess Mary Dunt, originally consists of 4 stanzas. Today we will discuss the first stanza of the poem. We will discuss the theme of the first stanza of the poem. So, as the title of the poem suggests, Run, 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 the poet asks the readers, the poetess asks the readers to run. So, the first stanza of the poem tells, away from the city and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. So, students, as the title of the poem suggests, the poetess asks the readers to run. The poetess asks the readers to run away from the city, Students, as you know, that the cities are generally crowded. The cities are generally crowded with large number of vehicles, large population, and also the level of pollution in the cities is very high. You know that different types of pollutions also, like in the cities there is air pollution, noise pollution, or the sound pollution, and you can find the different types of pollutions generally found, or different types of pollutions are associated with the cities. But whenever we leave the city and we enter into the countryside, or we enter into the rural area, then we can find the atmosphere is completely different. Students, in our countries, there are some metropolitan cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai. They are overcrowded. They are overcrowded cities. So whenever we leave the cities and we enter into the countryside, we found that the atmosphere is quite clean, and also at the same time we can see the clear sky, we can see the vast green fields, we can see the clear streams flowing in the rural area or in the countryside. So the atmosphere in the countryside is quite different in comparison to the atmosphere that is found in the cities. So here the poetess asks the readers to run away from the cities, away from the city and into the sun, out of the country, run, run, run. So here the poetess asks the readers to run away from the cities and to go to the countryside. And whenever they go to the countryside, they can enjoy the calmness, the coolness, and also they can enjoy the natural beauty there. Students, you see, in the second line of the first stanza, here the poetess tells that and into the sun, away from the city and into the sun. So what does it mean when the poetess is telling that and into the sun? Actually, students, you see, when the sun rises in the eastern horizon or the sun sets in the western horizon, then its red color sunbeams remain scattered everywhere, giving a very magnificent beauty. And when the sun is rising in the eastern horizon and the sun is setting in the western horizon. So what do you mean by horizon? Horizon is a line where it appears as if the surface of the earth and the sky are meeting with each other. Horizon is a line where it appears as if the surface of the earth and the sky are meeting with each other. So when the sun is rising in the eastern horizon and the sun is setting in the western horizon and you are running towards the horizon, then it appears as if you are running into the sun. You are running into the sun. So you see in the second line of the first stanza, the poetess tells here and into the sun. And into the sun. That means when you are running towards the horizon in the morning time or in the evening time, then it appears as if you are running into the sun. So students, the main theme of the first stanza is that here the poetess tells the readers to run away from the busy life, to run away from the routine life, and to enter into the calm, peaceful life of the rural area, or calm, peaceful life of the rural area or countryside. And whenever we enter into the countryside, generally we found that the fields, we can found the green fields, we can found the vast fields, and also we can found the clear sky, clear streams flowing clear streams flowing just near the meadows. All these things we see in the countryside, and this is the natural beauty of the countryside, which is really magnificent, and which really gives us comfort, which really gives the comfort to our soul. So students, this is the theme of the first stanza of the poem. So let's find out some new words from the first stanza of the poem, and let's try to use it into meaningful sentences of our own. First word is away. Away means at a distance, from a place. Or not here, or far. Not here or far. So students, let's use it into a meaningful sentence. The master is away from home. The master is away from home. Let's use it into another meaningful sentence. He is miles away. He is miles away by now. So the next word is country. The next word is country. Country means a rural area a rural area as opposed to a town or city, also called countryside, also called countryside. Let's use it into a meaningful sentence. The country was wild. The country was wild and beautiful. Was wild and beautiful. Let's use it into another meaningful sentence. He wants to live in the country after he retires. So students, country here means countryside or rural area, a rural area as opposed to a town or city. So let's find out some rhyming words from the first stanza of the poem. So first one is sun. It rhymes with run. Then next word is city. It rhymes with country. So students, today we have completed the first stanza of the poem. In the next class we will discuss about the other stanzas of the poem. So thank you. Have a nice day. See you in the next class.